Welcome back. Time now for the business news. As the debate continues about whether the country is going through a recession, Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Buzz has weighed in on the issue. When pressed by journalists at the BOJ's quarterly press briefing this week, he was cautious in his response.
Technically speaking, 2 consecutive quarters qualifies as a recession. However, there are other factors that you would expect to support the direction of a recession, and we don't see them present. And in that sense, I say, let us just watch to see what those mean. In addition, I think we can all agree that Hurricane Beryl and the heavy rains that followed a month or two later would have impacted the country a lot. Certainly with agriculture, but also with, say, mining, where, as you probably know, the export port had to be moved offshore.
He says when other factors like business confidence and the low unemployment rate are taken into consideration, even though technically the country is in a recession, it may recover quickly.
What is the conclusion do we draw from these 2 quarters of a recession? Is it that the sky is falling, or is it that there are some other factors that may be pointing to that it is only temporary and we can come out of it? I don't know. But I'm saying, let's watch and see. And I agree that there are some risks out there that could have a profound effect on the economy. We need to see those risks play out a little bit more before we call it.
Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks in Cambia selling the US dollar for an average $157.11. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.70. The pound is going for $199.07, while the euro is selling for an average $166.51. The JSE index advanced by 2,514 points, while the junior market index declined by 4 points. The 52 advancing shares included A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings US dollar shares, A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings Jamaican dollar shares, Cygnus Credit Investments 8% preference shares, 138 Student Living Variable Preference shares, and JMMB Group 7.15%. The 45 declining shares were led by First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Berger Paints, Palace Amusement, CAC 2000, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. 16 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. News from overseas after the break.